Hello and welcome to my Retro Watches. My name's Mike.
And my name is Eva Gabrielle Bolton.
That's very nice. Okay, this is the giveaway announcement video. So we're going to pick the winner of a 6309 Seiko that I've restored over the last 3 months and 10 videos and over 5 hours worth of content, as I keep saying. So we're going to find out who's going to win this one. But before we do that, just wanted to say that thank you very much for all the comments that you left on the last video. I know to enter the competition you had to leave the comments, but the comments that you did leave were all very, very positive. And some of them, of course, you gave me ideas for new videos, which of course I've written down, and you never know, we might do some of those in the future too. So, you know, thank you very much. It's very positive. It's nice that you are watching my videos and enjoying my journey into watchmaking as much as I might be helping you in yours. So, we have over 500 names in the bowl here that have been guarded by the naughty elves that have come to see us at Christmas this year.
Yes, and I've said, why are you with the watch? We haven't written your name down in there.
Who?
And Jib and Dave, we haven't written their name.
Well, they haven't commented on the video. So, as I say, it's taken us a long time to cut every one of your names out and fold them up, put them in this little box. This is a bowl, and
It's not a box.
Eva is going to pick the winner. So good luck, everybody. There can only be one winner, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. So off we go.
And good luck, everyone! I'll choose. Got two.
That one.
A.V. Cumber.
Oh really? Okay. A.V. Cuba.
I'm not.
Or Cuba, I'm not quite sure. I know that you do contact me. You comment on quite a few of the videos. You have won, A.V. Cuba. Maybe now I might find out what your real name is. So what you need to do, sir, is you need to send me an email on michael@myretrowatches.com. The link will be in the description below. You email me. I've got a few little things to go through, and then I can get this in the post to you, sir, and you never know, it might be on your doorstep before Christmas. So well done and congratulations.
But if you haven't already, smash that like button and the subscribe button. Smash it to bits. But don't break your phone or whatever you're watching this on. Because then you're not going to be able to watch anymore.
No, that's very true. So definitely do as Eva says and like and subscribe. Thank you. Now then, we're going to pick two runner-up prizes, and the runner-up prizes are going to be either the yellow tray that I was showing in the last video, or you can win a t-shirt like I've got, or a t-shirt like Eva's got. We do these in white as well, and we do them with the yellow instead of the green on the thing here, and I can give you a link to show you that. So two lucky winners, either a compartmentalised tray to help with you with your own watchmaking, or a t-shirt. So we're going to pick the first runner up now. So good luck again, everybody.
Good luck, everyone, if you want to win a t-shirt or a yellow tray, and I've got no idea what he's going on about. A yellow tray.
I will put a photograph up of what it is. Okay, you got one?
Got one. And this person. I definitely can't read this. Sorry, but I sometimes can't read names.
You can't read the name?
No.
Da Tok Losh. Even I can't read, so my apologies if this is you. Your name will come up on the screen as well, because I'm not sure that you'll be able to see it there. Of course, not every one of you uses your own name on YouTube, and that's what sometimes makes it easy. So it's Da Toki Losh. Perhaps that's how we say it.
The Toki Losh.
I barely speak English. So lucky you get in contact with me and you tell me what you want.
If you barely speak English, then how were you born in England?
Well, it's just a figure of speech. So here we go, we're going to pick the next runner-up, or the last runner-up. So good luck again, everybody.
But what is the person we just picked out winning?
Either a t-shirt or a tray.
Okay.
And
Do
same
they
here.
get to choose?
Yes.
Yay! Good luck for the final person. Well, for all of you.
Go on.
This could be you. This could be you out there, and this could be you. I'm gonna take a while if I could read this. This is not English. That is not English.
No, it's not. No, it could be Greek or it could be Russian. So I've got a bit of a problem here. So this name I will try and put onto the screen at the bottom, and whoever you are, if you can again get in contact with me on the same email address, michael@myretrowatches.com, I will get something away to you in the post. There we go. It's either Greek or it's Russian. I'm not too sure. So there we go. Commiserations to everybody who didn't win. But again, thank you very much for taking part. Of course, there can only be one winner, and perhaps we'll do another giveaway again in the future to keep you guys happy. So that's it. There will be some new videos coming very soon. I plan to get some more done. I've got some good things in the pipeline. But for now, we should just say Happy Christmas, shouldn't we? Merry Christmas, season's greetings to you all. Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas to the My Retro Watches fans. We wish you
Well, there we go. So Eva's giving you a little song. Thanks very much for watching.
I've got more.
No, we're not going to need any more. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Smash it though. Smash it.
I'll see you in the next one.